The mice had a meeting to decide on a plan to free themselves from the cat. At least, find some way to know when she was coming, so they have time to run away. They didn't want to live in fear of her claws anymore. Discussed a lot of plan, but no any plan good enough. A young mouse had an idea, and he's sure it will be successful. That is, all of them need to do is hang about for the cat. Everyone surprised and enjoyed because they were going to free, but an old mouse said he thought the young mouse idea was very good, but he asked, who will hang the bell for the cat?